What's up YouTube? My name's Quickie, welcome back to the channel. This is only a real short one. We just got an announcement to make and to give you a little bit of an update as well. But basically we've had some inquiries about, so where's your Patreon then? I can't find it. Well, that's because we ain't got one.
No.
And we weren't going to have one either. Not until this one was finished and people could see that, you know, we're serious about the channel and we are going to be making more than just the one bike.
And we actually finished something, which would be a bonus.
Yeah, it's always good, isn't it? We have got Asbo, that's the next one on the bench. You know, we're around, we ain't going anywhere.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry.
So we've had a few inquiries, I say, like, you know, about the Patreon thing. And with the advent of COVID-19, we're having a bit of a rethink. Basically, this is my place of business, if you like. I run my own little business out of here. And with COVID-19, basically we haven't had any orders since it started because all the construction crews shut down. And that's where I mostly sell my stuff to. So what we're doing, long days and working 2 jobs and it all starting to wear a little bit thin. Basically every little helps. So we are opening a Patreon. And anything we get from Patreon isn't going to be spent on buying bits for bikes and all the rest of it.
No, absolutely not.
It's going to go towards the upkeep of this place and some of the tools and stuff that I want. I'd love to get a little lathe. I would really love to get a little lathe.
More than anything else, at this point in time, hopefully it'll help keep the lights on in the workshop,
yeah,
and keep the channel going.
So it's not, there is absolutely no obligation to anybody. If you want to chip in and be part of it, happy days, you have at it and we will welcome you on board and thank you. If you don't, then that's fine as well. Keep watching the videos because that supports us and, you know, kind of makes it all worthwhile and stuff. So, you know, just to let you know, we're doing the Patreon thing. You will find a link in the description and that will be in the description of all future videos as well. Why is it every time I do something a van comes past?
Better than the dirt bikes last time.
Do you arrange it special or something? Anyway, where was I? Yeah. Oh yeah, so no obligation on anybody.
No.
If you want to jump in, that would be awesome. We've obviously got the Teespring store as well. We've got some new additions coming there too. The stuff that they've started to offer. So again, that link is in the description. And we just wanted to say thank you very much for all your support. Just watching us and
seeing how the channel has
getting
grown.
the views and stuff is mega. And the channel is growing, which is really, really cool. And it will just help us produce a truckload more videos for you in the future. So that's it, real quick, short one. Thank you very much for your time. And thank you very much for watching as well.
Thanks everybody for your support.
Laters.
Laters.